Alright, let's talk whey. This protein powder stuff, it's absolutely everywhere, man. Gym buffs chug it, fitness gurus preach it. But what is it exactly? Do you really know its origin? We're gonna pull back the curtain, no BS, just the facts. Get ready to learn. Many folks just use it, blindly, almost like a ritual. Post-workout, it's a must-have. But they don't ask questions. How is this powder made? Where does it come from? It's crazy, right? You should know your fuel. So, that's our mission today. To show you the real story, from the dairy farm, all the way to your shaker cup. The entire production journey, no complex science talk, just plain simple English. So you actually get it. Listen, this stuff matters. What you put in your body, that's a big deal, always. Especially when you train hard, when you push your body. Knowing this isn't just smart, it's about empowerment, man. Making informed choices for yourself. It all starts with milk, good old-fashioned cow's milk. Collected fresh from dairy farms. Picture those cows chilling, that's the very beginning. This milk isn't just for drinking, it's the primary raw ingredient, the source of it all. This fresh milk is then moved to big dairy processing plants. A lot of this milk is used for making cheese. Yes, your favorite cheddar or brie. Whey is born from this. A cheese-making co-pilot, essentially. In cheese-making they add stuff, enzymes to make milk curdle. This splits milk into two. The solid bits are casein. These become the actual cheese. Think of cheese curds, right? That's the casein protein, forming the cheese structure. And the liquid that's left over, that cloudy, watery part, that, my friends, is liquid whey. For years it was just discarded. Crazy, huh? Seen as waste. Now it's a prized component, the base for your protein boost. So now we have this liquid, this raw liquid whey, but you can't just use it yet, it's straight from the process. It might contain some bacteria, things you don't want inside you. Safety is always number one. No compromises on that, ever. This brings us to pasteurization. A really crucial step, man. It's not just for juice boxes. The liquid whey gets heated, quickly, to a precise heat, then it's cooled down fast. A standard food safety protocol. This heating process works wonders. It kills off harmful bacteria. Any lurking pathogens get zapped, making the whey totally safe. But it's done just right, so the valuable proteins, they don't get damaged. Quality and safety hand in hand. This pasteurization part is vital, absolutely essential for a clean product. It ensures the whey is pure, safe for you to consume daily. You don't want to risk anything when it comes to your health. Clean inputs mean clean results. That's the name of the game. Section 4. The filtration gauntlet crafting pure protein. After the heat treatment, it's safe, but the whey is still dilute. Mostly water with lactose and fat, and some minerals in there. We need to concentrate the protein. Get that pure, powerful stuff. That's what builds the muscle. The target is high purity. Next up, advanced filtration. This is where it gets technical, using special fine membranes. Microfiltration, then ultrafiltration. These filters are like super sieves, separating components by their size. A cool, precise separation process. These filters are game changers. They remove a lot of water. Much of the lactose disappears. Excess fat is also filtered out. What remains gets more potent, higher and higher in protein. This creates different whey types, concentrate or purer, isolate. Finally, this protein-rich liquid must become the powder you know. This happens via spray drying. Hot air meets a fine mist of this concentrated liquid whey. Water evaporates almost instantly, leaving just the fine powder. Section 5, the final scoop, why whey works wonders, and that's the whole story. The complete fascinating journey. From a cow in a field to the powder in your shaker, milk, cheese, separation, heat, filters, then the final drying stage. It's a serious industrial process. A lot goes into each scoop, but why go to all this trouble? What makes whey so special? It's because whey is a powerhouse, loaded with essential amino acids. You've heard of BCAAs, right? These are the direct building blocks for muscle repair and new growth, absolutely key for your body. Another massive advantage of whey, it digests incredibly quickly, man. Your system absorbs it fast. This means those vital aminos rush right to your muscles, exactly when they're screaming for fuel, after a tough, grueling workout. So the next time you prepare your post-workout protein shake, you'll know the real deal. The science and effort involved, it's not some weird alchemy, it's carefully produced high-tech food. This knowledge gives you an edge, now go lift something heavy.